Welcome to Educational Cartoon.
Firstly, we draw the clouds, and then we draw something like trees. We are making a house, and river, grass, and fill some beautiful colors. Let's do this. Now we draw the car, the beautiful car. Oh my god, that looks so good. Now let's make the grass, and the river, and fill them with the beautiful colors. Firstly, I am doing the blue sky, and then we do giving color in the grass, and then we make a river. This look amazing. Wow! Hooray, we did it!